Ndị be anyị ekenekwanụ m unu. Asị m ka ọ mara anyị na mma. Asị m ka nke onye chiri ya zelụkwa. Ya dịka o si dị, ebe anyị si wee na-wetara ya bụ ozi n'ụbọchị nke taa n'iru akwụkwọ bụ Eastern News 24. Ya bụ ife bụ gbasịta maka ya bụ ife na-ada na-akpọtụ n'obodo nọ n'ime ya ma ndị nwere ụwa n'ọzọ n'ala Igbo. Alright, this news is according to the Biafran activist as he quote. Breaking news. Justice James Omotosho withdraws from Nnamdi Kanu's case as Supreme Court acknowledge Nnamdi Kanu letter. Alright, pay attention to the key before Kabalo Kiliat and if I want to with the line over Sinketana, Eastern News 24. Alright, over to you, sir.
What God cannot do does not exist. What God Chukwu Okike Abiyama cannot do does not exist. You see what played out today, yesterday in court though, and a lot of things happened. So many things happened, things that have never happened before since Nnamdi Kanu was rendition from Kenya to Nigeria. It has never happened before. I'm telling you, which you are seeing right now, how they showed him love, even the court workers there, calling his name, Onyendu, Onyendu. He was walking freely, doing, something that has never done before since he was kidnapped from Kenya, rendition to Nigeria. Each time he's coming to court, the only thing you will see Nnamdi Kanu entering inside the court with DSS security officers. But this time around, he walked freely in the Supreme Court. He went outside when he was going freely. That was when they were showing him love and they were chanting his name, Onyendu, Onyendu, Onyendu. That's never happened before. Now, let me tell you what will happen on the 20th of November, which is the final day or the judgment, whether they will sentence him or not. Omotosho right now is panicking. He's on the run. He has surrendered. Because for Nnamdi Kanu, this is ambush. Nnamdi Kanu ambushed them. Go to Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court accepted his appeal. Now, let me tell you what will happen on that day, like I said. Three things might happen on the 20th of November. So what should Biafrans, Nigerians that love Nnamdi Kanu expect on that day, which is the 20th? Let me tell you the truth. The mainstream never and will never tell you this. But we are here to open it and tell you what will happen on that day. The three possible outcomes. 1, the judge may suspend the judgment because of the Supreme Court letter and ongoing appeal challenges. 2, the judge may forcefully give the judgment which risky being overturned later because of procedural errors. Number 3, or the court may direct that the issue raised must be resolved first before any judgment can be delivered. These are the three things that will happen. Nnamdi Kanu, they will not sentence Nnamdi Kanu. In fact, or like I said, Omotosho will surrender. Because right now, Nnamdi Kanu has exposed them to the Supreme Court. So any of this will shake the country. Any of this will shake the country. Why? Because Kanu's detention has become a symbol politically, legality, and internationally. The government is under pressure. The judiciary is under scrutiny. The world is watching. And the November 20th judgment is no longer straightforward. Today's visit to the Supreme Court opened a door the government never wanted open. It forced a conversation they have been avoiding for 2 years. It put a spotlight on a judiciary. It exposes contradiction in the system, and it brought the entire case back to national attention. Whatever happened on the November 20th will have consequences far beyond this trial. So my people, this is just the beginning. So my people, like I said, this is it. This is the end. The defense team of Nnamdi Kanu has built a legal wall, strong wall around him. His defense is no longer fighting the trial. They are fighting the foundation of the trial. They are saying this court has no jurisdiction. This law does not exist. This case is built on illegality. This trial cannot continue. They are not contesting facts at this moment. They are contesting the legality of the trial itself. And this is where things become dangerous. Because once a case has a jurisdictional problem, no judgment delivered can stand. So my people, you can see what we are talking about. That Nnamdi Kanu's freedom is here. And there is nothing anyone can do to stop him. The 20th of November judgment cannot take place. They cannot try or sentence Nnamdi Kanu at this moment once he has taken it to the highest level, which is the Supreme Court, which has the final say. Now the court has accepted his appeal. Now they are looking into it. They're gonna come out with judgments. And what they say, like Nnamdi Kanu have said before, if Supreme Court said that he will be tried if they find him guilty of what they accuse him of, that is ready to stand trial. And that's what Nnamdi Kanu has been arguing with James Omotosho, which Omotosho refused to answer question. Tell me, on what offense am I being tried for? So my brothers and sisters, this coming 20th days, few days from today, I think we've go about 8 or 7 days to go. It will be a crucial moment. Because right now, Nnamdi Kanu has exposed them.
Ebumana ege ntị edalụ niile nukwu si wee na n'onu ụbọchị nke taa na Eastern News 24 bụ ebe anyị si were wetara ya bụ nnukwu ozi gbasara maka ya bụ ife na-emenụ ka efi were ikwu gbasara maka ya bụ ife ndị anyị wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa n'iru akwụkwọ ka emesịa